Right guys, morning, 5:30 in the morning. I'm off to go and weigh my load in. And there's some serious weight on here. Well, springs and proper bends. Let's go see how much we can get for it, what weight's on, and I'll fill you in when I get back. Let's go at it. Right guys, we're here. Fuse Metals. I think I've got to use a different weighbridge today because there's it broke, I'm sure. But we're here. I'm third in the queue. There we go. I'll fill you in a bit guys. I'm going to weigh that one and see what we got. Alright guys, we've had to weigh in. Oh, I'll say that again. We've had to weigh in today on a different weighbridge. Where I get to weigh in my scrap, their weighbridge is broke, so we've had to come across the road and use their scale, so that's what we're doing today. I'll fill you in a minute. And we're doing it. You could see there, I don't know if you can see all that, but they've got the weighbridge up. Have a look here. There's the weighbridge, been all fixed up. Right, let's get this lowered off, get backed in and done. So that's up with this. Let's get it checked off. Love the camera here. Oh, let's get it checked off.
Good, it's a bit.
See you in a bit, buddy. Have a good one. Right guys, that's all done on and chucked off. We're going over to the other Weybridge now, get the ticket, come back out for the money. Right, let's have a look. Oh dear me, I think I've got you upside down. Get the keys out. Whew. Right, I'll be still on there. ticket. I'm just going to go and see what the score is with it. I'll catch you in a minute. Get back, upload the ticket to the video on it. Okay now guys, catch you in a bit. Hi guys, welcome back. Got my ticket and we don't do too bad really. Weight wise we've got 1,500 kilos, which is 1.5 tons, at a rate of £145 per tonne. That's mixed metals. I don't know whether he give me an extra tenner a tonne this week, because I know it was £135 last week a tonne. It's probably just gone up, but I did have a lot of short heavy on the back, like girders, cut-offs of girders, steel plates and all short heavy, so I don't know. That's what we got anyway. £145 per tonne on the mixed metals and a tonne and a half in weight. And the total money we got was £217.50. Not bad. I was well overweight, I know that one. But yeah, that's what we got guys. A tonne and a half in weight at a rate of £145 per tonne and £217.50. Sorry. So yeah. And if you've liked my videos, as always, please like and subscribe. It helps my channel out massive. I'll catch you on the next one guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers.